Howdy everybody, I am going to attempt to get all three of these finished in under 10 minutes. So, not a trick, I've already mixed everything up. Wish me luck, but I will start at the 30-second mark. And, alright, 4, 3, 2, 1... Let's start with this one because it does not turn well. I could make tons of bad puns while I'm doing this, but I'm not, because I need to concentrate because I'm actually trying to beat my best time. So we shall see if I can. That won't do. Nor will that. Not convenient. I will occasionally talk to myself. Who doesn't? Somebody out there is like me. I'm like, well, good for you. It's not working. It was right the whole time. That is what keeps me from getting a good time on this. By the way, you could totally cheat and just fast forward to the end of this video to see if I did it. Keeping it up here so you know that I'm not being sketchy. It is harder to hold this way though. Come on. Ah! One done. Alright, this one. By the way, there is not a one of you that can't do this. Just takes some learning. Somebody's calling me. Crap. Screwed me up. Alright. Yep, thanks, honey. It's crap. I can still do it. I can still do it. Ah, shit. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe. Gotta go a little faster. Convenient. All right, number 2. And well, with 3 minutes to spare, let's see if I can do this. 4 minutes. I'm not going to count right now. Not a good idea. Not the best idea. Perfect. I just learned a trick, so that's convenient as well. That is not right. This is where I have my brain farts and screw everything up. Fingers crossed I don't this time. I've tried this a few times. Well, obviously you've not seen those videos, so yeah. One of them I came super close, though. I was pretty grumpy on that one, to be honest with you. Oh, I was so close. And then we're about like right here, and I had a brain fart. Like, I should not be talking at all. Talking right now is probably the worst thing that I could be doing, but I'm gonna do it anyway, because why not? Alright, blam, 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 blam. Closest. There we go. Alright. You already know it, so. Crap. No. Oh. How did that even happen? Alright. Because I was talking. Crap. Oh, anxiety. I don't think I'm gonna get it. Still gonna try. Alright. No! Why? Stop looking at the time. You can look at the time, not me. Oh, I'm so close. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Of course. And blam! Oh, right on time. Okay, maybe a second off. Who cares? I did it. 10 minutes. Hope y'all are doing well. Have a great weekend.